introduction, I want to ask all of you, how many of you like drawing? What? Drawing. Like drawing. And how many of you know about the perspective drawing? As you know, people said that art is something, is an illusion and abstraction. And in a drawing paper, how can you make an object that is out there? And how you make the two-dimension images become the three-dimension object. So that's why you use the technique. This is called the perspective drawing. Perspective drawing is a technique used to translate the two-dimension images into the three-dimension images. Interestingly, today I will teach you one of the basic technique, perspective drawing. This is called one-point perspective drawing. Okay. Okay. Before going over it, I will show you some pictures about the perspective drawing. In order you have to figure it out how to draw it from the picture. In the perspective seen on the garden, you see all objects. This will converge into the one point. And this is a perspective on the building. This is really hard because we have to use a three-point perspective drawing. Yes. All this building is converted into the one point that is in the sky. This is perspective on the internal design. You see in the church, the pillars, the ground, the chair, and the roof. This is converges into the one point. Yeah. Or you can even find it on the kitchen. All of things. This is converted into the corner of the kitchen. This perspective on nature. This is called the area perspective. This is the type of perspective because you use the color. You mix the color at the value scale, how to make it out there on the sky. Yeah, this is my old picture. That's nice. Perspective on the countryside, you see it everywhere in the countryside. And or you can even find this particular thing. This is about the mountain or on the hill. This is perspective on chair. You can even find it on the space, on the planet, the star. All of this is converted into the galaxy. And this is the same type on the universe. Yeah, it's the same as the previous one. Okay. And now, before I teach you how to sketch the one-point perspective, you have to know some definition about the features of the horizon and vanishing point. That's the technique how to draw the perspective drawing. This is the definition of a horizon. The horizon is, in my simple definition, the horizon is the line here when the earth and the sky appear to meet. This is called the horizon line. And the definition of the vanishing point. Vanishing point is the point on the horizontal line, at which on a parallel line here, on a parallel line to converge into the vanishing point. Okay. And here is materials for the drawing, the paper and the pencil, eraser and ruler. And everybody please take out your paper. And if you don't have the pencil, you can use pen. If you don't have eraser, you can use the correction pencil. The first one, you need to confirm where is the horizon line. Here. Please draw after me.
I borrow a pen from you.
Yeah. Please draw the big one. Okay, the second unit, you remember the vanishing point is on the horizontal line. You put any vanishing point in the horizontal line. Okay, and you draw the big square is cover. Okay, and you connect every corner of the side of the square into convert into the vanishing point. Okay, and this is we have the in front of the frame of the room, and then we make the door it is the back behind the room. You make the square. It is every side is parallel with the big one. And now it's you have the frame of the room, right? And then I will show you how to draw the window. Yeah, you make the line here. And you make the line, a dot line here, convert into the vanishing point. Okay. And you make a parallel line here. Okay. And you bow the line in front of the room. It depends on your decorate into your window. Maybe here, something here. Right. Yeah. And how to draw the strip? We make a line here. Convert it into the vanishing point here. The vanishing point here. The line when you draw in the window. Yeah. This is the strip. And the last one is I will teach you how to draw the box. This is easy. You draw the square, any square on the room. Connect every corner of the square into the vanishing point. And then you make the parallel line here. And bow them. And eraser the touch line of the room. And now you can see you can do all of things on the room. Okay, here is my presentation. I see all of you.
Do you have any questions?
Guys, have any questions? It's about the room.